Hey, hey. I got something to say, man. This is not for the woman. This is for the skeezers. Listen, skeezers. Don't come outside with your little camel toe huggers, your little coochie huggers and all that nonsense, your ass hanging out, looking all provocative, looking all crazy, and then dudes see you and stare and say something to you and you want to get a motherfucking attitude because you got a man. And that little fucking faggot should have let your ass out the damn house like that, you dig? Because niggas go holler. Niggas is predators. We predators. That's what we do. We prey on y'all ladies. But now at the end of the day, not saying I do, but I'm just talking the real shit. Don't sit out here giving niggas attitude because of the shit you put on. If you want to be respected, respect yourself. When you look in the mirror and you can see your motherfucking two pussy lips hanging out, don't put the shit on. Change your motherfucking clothes because niggas gon' look. What you think that is between your legs, huh? That's something for niggas to look at and we gon' look. So knock it off, man. Word is Bon Jovi. I ain't trying to play these games with y'all. All your ass hanging titties, all your asses showing. If you're gonna be a queen, dress like a queen. Be presentable, look like a lady, be a lady. If you're gonna sit out here and be a skeezer, hey, I'ma call it like I said. Hi, skeezer. Get your life together, man. Don't judge a nigga, don't ever be mad at me. And don't be mad at no other dude that say hi to you. You say hi back. Hi, gentlemen. Skeezer. Knock it off. Bet that. Sorry.